Your phone wasn't always this slow. So, what actually changed? Think back to when you first bought it. Apps opened instantly. Scrolling felt smooth. Everything just worked. But after a few months or a year, apps start taking longer to open. Animations feel heavy. Sometimes the phone even freezes for a second. Most people think, my phone is old, I need a new device. But in most cases, that's not the real problem. Phones don't suddenly become slow. They slowly become overloaded. And this happens so gradually that we don't notice it until the phone already feels painful to use. Over time, 3 main things happen inside your phone. Storage fills up, apps keep running in the background, and system updates add more and more load. Each one alone feels harmless, but together they slowly choke your phone's performance. Let's break it down. First, storage overload. Your phone needs free space to work properly, not just for your photos and apps, but also for system tasks and temporary files. When storage is almost full, your phone has less room to manage memory efficiently. Apps take longer to load. The system struggles to move data around. It's like working on a desk completely covered with papers. You can still work, but everything becomes slower and more stressful. So what should you do? Delete apps you haven't used in months. Remove old screenshots, random videos, and forgotten downloads. Back up important photos to cloud storage or a computer if you can. As a simple rule, try to keep at least 20 to 25% of your storage free. That free space helps your phone breathe again. Second, background apps. Many apps don't stop working when you close them. They keep running in the background. They check for updates, sync data, send notifications, and constantly use memory and battery. 1 or 2 apps don't matter much. But when you have dozens doing this, your phone is always busy, even when you're not using it. This makes everything feel slower. What can you do? Go to your battery or app settings. Check which apps use the most background activity. For apps you rarely open, disable background usage or notifications if possible. You don't need your shopping app, game app, or random utility app working 24 hours a day. This simple step can immediately make your phone feel more responsive. Third, system updates and cache data. System updates are important. They improve security and fix bugs. But every update also adds new features and new processes. Over time, the system becomes heavier. On top of that, apps store cache files, temporary data meant to make things load faster. But when cache builds up for months or years, it can actually slow things down instead of helping. So here's a very simple habit that many people ignore. Restart your phone at least once a week. This clears temporary memory and resets background processes that may be stuck. If your phone allows it, you can also clear app cache, not app data, just cache for apps that feel slow or buggy. This doesn't delete your account or settings. It only removes temporary files. And one important warning: avoid installing cleaner or booster apps that promise to magically speed up your phone. Most of them run constantly in the background, show ads, and actually make performance worse. Simple manual maintenance beats any miracle app. The real problem isn't your phone. Your phone didn't suddenly become weak. It slowly became crowded. Just like a room that gets messy every day, until one day you finally say, "Why does this place feel so uncomfortable?" Your phone is the same. And the good news is, you usually don't need a new device. You just need to give your phone some breathing space. Free some storage, control background apps, restart regularly and clean cache when needed. Do these simple steps once in a while, and your phone can feel smooth again, even after years of use. Your phone doesn't need replacing, it needs maintenance. For more simple, real-world tech fixes, check out the rest of this channel.